Hello and welcome to the Connector Support Guide on searching the community directory. So what you'll want to do is you'll come to the Connector Support homepage, which is shown here. You'll either want to click on the community directory at the top or the main community directory icon here. Either will bring you to the community directory listing page. Now, on the listing page, you will have up to 10 groups and activities per page. So please bear that in mind while you're searching, that not everything will appear on this page. Now, you've got different options in order to look for groups and activities. So the three options are: one, you can use the map to search for things locally. Two, you can search for specific group types using the filters. Or three, you can use the search bar at the top right if you know the name of the group that you are looking for. So I'm going to do that one first. So if you just look up here, so if you just type in, for example, I know that there are men's sheds on this directory. So if you type in shed, and then that will bring up any profile or entry that has the word shed within the title. So as you can see there, so typed in men's sheds, it's brought up the men's shed development project. If you want to find out more about that, other than the brief information that they have there, you just click more details. As you can see here, so you get the full information of the description section. You've got the phone number to contact them, website, email address. They also have a logo. On other pages, because this is the development, on other pages you will also have a map here to show where they are located. And you can suggest a change if needed. If there's something incorrect with the information, you can suggest a change using the icon there. So that is searching via the search bar at the top. So I'm just going to remove that and clear everything. So the next option is searching for a specific group. So you don't know the name of the group, you don't mind traveling, or you're not sure where one will be, but you just want to search for this type of group. What you can do is go to type of activity. You can click, so if you want something with food and drink, maybe some music. And what will happen each time you tick a selection, it will keep filtering the list live. So each time you tick something, it will automatically update. And you want something that's also a support group, for example. So food and drink, music, and a support group. So as you can see, the number of results has changed because the different groups have got different filter options. So you've changed all those activities. Now you know that you can only do them on a Thursday. That's the only day free. So you can also select which day of the week that these groups are running on. So as you can see again, the total results have changed. You've got the cost options here, so you can choose different prices. A lot of the groups work with contribution, or there is a fee to join per session. Some of them do have a subscription style as well, but 99% of the groups it is a contribution or a pay as you attend. Or they are also free as well. You can select an area as well. So say if you want it to be within Bradford, you can click Bradford. What will then happen there, so depending on which one you click, you can also neighbourhood section will appear. So if you want to be more specific, you can click on one of these. If you live in Odsall, you can click Odsall, for example. And then we also have some additional filters for groups that are funded through council grants. So they're on there as well. You can search for those as well. If you want to clear everything, unfortunately, you will have to just go and untick all the options that you've ticked, or you can go to the top and click community directory and it will clear everything as well. So once you've clicked all your filters, you'll have a specific search, and then you can just go through the listing options, click next if you're not happy with any on the current page. I'll take you to the next page, and then you can keep seeing until you find a group or activity that you like. Again, more details, and it'll provide more information. So as you can see there, it just reset it. If you just click the community directory at the top, it resets all filters. So the last option is to search via your postcode. Now, please note that we do not store any information that you put in this postcode search. So you are more than welcome to use your own postcode in order to search. I will be using the office postcode just to show and demonstrate how this system works. And I want to search within 3 miles. So if you click go, as you can see, it's brought up all the services that are by location, so which ones are nearest to the postcode that you've put in. They've brought up all the groups. What you can also do is you can search via the map. So if you want to have a look as to where the services are on the map, it'll bring up icons on there. Again, it is only 10 per page, so if you need any more, you will have to click next. As you can see, it's changed where the pins are because that's where these groups are located on this page. And you can click through them and you can click for more information by clicking on the pin, as you can see. So that's that one, and you're like, oh, I like the look of that group, and you can scroll down and find, there you go, that group within the listing page there. So that is how you search via the map function on the website. So again, you got the 3 options. You can use the search bar at the top, which I demonstrated first. You can use the filters, which I demonstrated second, or you can search by the postcode, which I demonstrated in the last option. You can use a mixture. You can use the postcode and the filter. You can use the name and the filter. There's not a problem. Those are just 3 different ways which can be used together in order to filter the listings on the community directory. This has been the guide on how to search the community directory entries. Thank you.